Welcome to our channel. If the Max app keeps crashing on your Samsung TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Step 1. Restart your Samsung TV completely. Turn off the TV, unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on again. Step 2. Close the Max app completely. Press and hold the home or exit button on your remote to force close the app, then reopen it. Step 3. Check for Max app updates. Go to the Samsung App Store, search for Max, and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version. Step 4. Clear the Max app cache and data. On Samsung TVs, go to Settings, Support, Device Care, and select Manage Storage to clear app cache. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Go to Settings, Network, and run a network test to ensure your TV has a stable connection to the internet. Step 6. Update your Samsung TV software. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and select Update Now to install the latest TV firmware. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Max app. Go to the App Store, find Max, and select Delete. Then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Step 8. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset on your Samsung TV as a last resort. This will erase all settings, but often resolves persistent app crashes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.